Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to the mall with my sister. I just finished editing this video real quick because I ran out of space on my phone, so I needed to hurry up and edit the video so I can clear out the videos. But yeah, let's go. I gotta go. They already there. I'm trying to post 3 times a day on TikTok. I just dropped my YouTube video. Hopefully I have the keys. We are on our way to Towson Mall, so I'll see you guys when I get there so I can try to save some of this battery. We made it to the mall. Hold on, let me get my camera out. Like, why is all of my devices about to die? There's hella people here because it's a Saturday. I gotta get some more B-roll shots because my last vlog that I just posted, I didn't get a lot of footage. I stink a butt. I see your mouth is blue.
You brought your car?
Yeah, I was in my car.
I don't wanna slap me up, think I'm going to fit. I don't wanna play right about I'm talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body.
We are about to get some food. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but we about to get some food.
I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this.
We went to Journey. This is the fit for today, guys. Got on these shoes. Huh, show them your fit. Show them your shoes. These are shoes we got on today. I got on this dress that he done got blue cotton candy on.
Choo.
So I got up at like 10, but I had to let my camera charge because I forgot to charge it last night. So it is, turn on. So it is, I don't even know if y'all can see it, but it's 12:22. Let's see what we have on the agenda for today. So I need to do laundry. I need to finish cleaning my room. So I have these right here, like this little thing right here, and I want to get rid of it because it does nothing but collect stuff on top of it, as you can see. I want to get a more organized dresser thingy to put right here. I also want to get a new desk and desk chair. This is like what I use for my vanity. I'm gonna get like the drawers so that way I could put like my makeup stuff in there, my skincare stuff, my lashes, all of that stuff in there. And then I also have another tote that's over there by my dresser that I want to get rid of as well. I want to get another one of like the tall dressers to put all of that stuff in it. That stuff holds like my hair care products, my hair tools, and some of my skincare products as well. So that's on the agenda. Oh, and I also need somewhere to put all of these packs of hair. Like, I have so much braiding hair from me doing my own hair. It's absolutely ridiculous.
You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. But I
right, y'all, I am officially done cleaning my room. I don't remember what time I said I started cleaning my room, but I know it was almost 12:30. It's 6:27 now. It took me 6 hours basically because it's almost 6:30. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go get me something to drink. I'm done cleaning. Let me show y'all.
Then I tell you the truth, wish we never did it, cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it.
But I'm still washing clothes, but I'm about to get me something to drink and chill for a little bit.
I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown, and my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way.
I hadn't called in. Would you have even told me about this?
Crazy. Of course I would have told you.
Yeah, like you told me about the Christmas party, huh? Or what about the parking garage? Yes, you told me about you being in a parking garage with this woman. What else haven't you told me, Derek? Because all I'm hearing are things you haven't told me.
I was wrong. I should have told you the truth from the beginning, but
You should have. Why didn't you?
Because you know what? I didn't think it was a big deal in the first place, and then I was kind of embarrassed. How do I say it to you about looking like a
Guilty? Like Derek.
Tell me so, I'm in the loop, I'm out of ways. Oh, stay out the way. Got another shot on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public.
Alright, y'all, I'm back in my room because your girl needed to eat. So I made me a sandwich, as y'all saw. So yeah, I'm about to turn this light out and turn my LEDs on. Okay, we got the LED lights on. Alright, y'all, so that's probably gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, even though it was just mainly me cleaning and stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and go watch my last video, my first video that I posted, and follow me on all my social medias. Bye.